Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and uninstall apps, games, etc. on our Google TV Streamer 4K. This could be applicable for other common Google TV or Android TV devices as well. So let's check it out. By default, Google TV will keep a lot of our commonly used OTT apps and other apps pre-installed. We can keep them if we want, or we can uninstall them to save some storage space. We can also install other APK app files on our Google TV, but we will cover that in a different video soon. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. Also, please check the description after watching this video for other helpful Google TV tips. To install the apps, we can go to the apps tab at the top and we can type the app name here to search, or we can filter by categories here. We have a lot of different categories here. So I'll just go to entertainment, and usually we have the OTT apps here. I'll just choose this Crunchyroll, select that, and we can choose the install option here. That's all. It will download the app and install that. That's all. We can open the app now. We can also visit the Google Play Store on our Google TV. The quick way to do that is by asking the Google Assistant to open it for us. Voice command. Open Google Play Store. So that's all. We have several categories here, including games, music, etc. We can select any of them and we can start to install. That's all. To uninstall the apps, we can do this in two ways. I'll share the first method now. We can go to settings, select that, and then go to apps, select that. Here we can see the recently opened apps, all the apps, and unused apps. So I'll go to see all apps, and here we can see the list of apps we have on our Google TV. I'll uninstall this game. So just have to go to the right side and choose this uninstall option. This is a good game, but I have played enough, so uninstall. That's all. So we cannot uninstall the system apps. They are a part of the whole Google TV experience, but we can uninstall updates for them. But personally, we don't worry about this much. For the second method, we can simply go to the app icon on the home. Just have to go to the tab and long press this OK or select option. We have this on all the remotes, modern remotes. So we just have to long press this OK or select option, and we will get this page. Here go to view details, and we can uninstall the app here. That's all. These are the steps to install and uninstall apps, games, etc. on our Google TV Streamer 4K or other Google TV devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.